top down. We can just let's start with the education here. So this is a Master's of Accountancy. So in this case, I'm just going to take out the focus because I think that's more relevant for undergraduate, and I'll show you what I mean here. So in this case, there's like, a specialization inside the major, so you'd say. And if you are an international student getting your degree, at a university or an institution outside of the United States, just, make the place, make sense for you. So, you might say, for example, like I did my master's degree at a business school, so I would just do all right. So now the GPA and major, this is only if this really applies. I know that in this case, that this course, so we're going to take just the GPA in the program because it's not really a major. So this program was 22 courses, and I remember John got we're going to take out this overall GPA because that's not really relevant. Cool. So, you always want to prioritize your highest degree above your lower degree. So, for example, if you got an associate's degree, you should put that here and then put your undergraduate here. And I would suggest if you have an associate's, an undergraduate, and a master's, you probably don't need to put 3 different institutions. You could probably just put your undergraduate and your master's. All right, cool. So again, we are here, GPA and major. So I think we should just go ahead and italicize these. So the reason is you'll see that if I say graduated before cum laude down here, let's just keep it parallel. Graduated magna cum laude up here. You want to keep things parallel.